Hello and welcome to Olive Tree Lab Terrain Tutorials. In this tutorial we will add and edit a noise source in Olive Tree Lab Terrain's database. Click Database in Terrain's main window and the database window will open. The database, apart from the noise sources, also contains ground and surface materials, as well as noise criteria curves. We will cover this in another tutorial in detail. Let us get acquainted with the noise sources database. As you see in this table, we have incorporated some 30 different noise sources, giving the dB and dBA sound pressure values, as well as the source type. By selecting a source, the graph below displays the free field frequency spectrum in 1/3 octave bands. Apart from the sources incorporated, a user can add his own by clicking Add New Noise Source. A new window opens where the details about the noise source are entered. First, select the format of your data. In this tutorial, we will use the 1/3 octave data. Then select if your data to be entered regards power or pressure levels. Select the source type from the drop-down menu. Fill in a desired name for the new noise source. You may also log any additional information in the notes section below, such as a brief description, source of the data, etc. In this section, enter the distances between the measured source and the receiver. If free field data is available, then just enter the horizontal distance and put 0 in source and receiver height. Enter here, if applicable, the ground type where the measurements were conducted, as well as the meteorological conditions. Terrain uses this information to calculate the free field frequency spectrum by making the necessary corrections to the entered data. We have reached the point where we need to enter the frequency spectrum values. Those can be typed directly into the center column. Note that it's the only column that is editable. As you type, you see that the column on the right gets updated with the 1 meter free field values calculated automatically by applying the correction we mentioned before. In this case, the value is the same because of the horizontal distance we entered. Another way of importing data is to import it from a text or comma-separated value file, as well as the clipboard. To import from a file, click Import from File. This would be a valid text file to be imported. Select the file and click Open. The new window that opens contains the frequency spectrum data to be imported. Click Save and the data is imported. Note that importing functionality currently is only available for the 1/3 octave data. When everything is set, click Add Noise Source. A pop-up message informs us that the addition was successful. If for any reason you need to edit the added noise source, select the noise source and click Edit Noise Source. When the window opens, check the Edit mode to enable editing. When finished, click Update Noise Source. A pop-up message informs us that the update was successful. Thank you for watching.